How do we preserve capacity and improve the security, safety, and reliability of our transportation system, but also provide a better experience for travelers? Big ideas, respect for the environment, embracing high-tech advances, dedication to transforming a community. That's what it takes to keep things moving. In the spirit of invention and a desire to transform travel, welcome to TSMO.
And so really what TISMO is about is trying to figure out how we can manage and operate the system as efficiently and effectively as possible, given all of the resource constraints that we have, whether it's a financial constraint, a personnel constraint, or a land constraint, really thinking about how to most efficiently and effectively manage and operate the system.
Essentially, the TSMO program is a way to maximize the efficiency of the traveling public, utilizing technology with infrastructure that we have in place that measures, say, like speeds, density, and can provide that traveler information so they can have a safer, more reliable trip.
Among many other things, the implementation of TSMO at NDOT has improved the overall understanding of the program.
I think the end goal, honestly, is to have a performance-based solution that's integrated throughout both the internal department and external with our partners to how we can leverage resources with the existing infrastructure and optimize the best that we can with what we've got, with targeted investments.
TSMO is a national effort, sort of change the culture of transportation agencies across the United States.
The goal with TISMO is to see how we can help the traveling public in the near future. So their life gets better, we make their travel safer and more reliable.
Now our roles with NDOT's TSMO plan is really they have been the leader for us and a very good example of how the program should be set up, as well as how do you implement that not only during the plan and the design, but also during construction and then through the operations and overall system management.
TSMO is important because it puts the focus on the transportation network users.
Funds don't stretch as far as they once did, and so it's important for us to use the data and the technology to implement our program.
Another part about the technology integration that I'm really looking forward to is artificial intelligence. Right now we have HOV lanes in Las Vegas. We're implementing artificial intelligence so we can start determining the occupancy of vehicles.
Enhancing environmental sustainability is one of the primary goals of the program.
It goes back to the impact that all of our different goals have on each other. So by reducing congestion and the idle time, you're also going to see a reduction in greenhouse gases and pollution when we are promoting mobility strategies such as our HOV lanes, high occupancy vehicles, investing in pedestrian and walking paths. The goal is to decrease our number of single occupant vehicles that we have on the road. If people are sharing a ride, that's one less vehicle that we have on the road, which is helping traffic, but also helping the environment in our pollution.
We want to look at other initiatives to include electric vehicles and everything, how we can improve upon things to help drive down some of those greenhouse gas emissions.
TSMO has a huge opportunity for improving sustainability and the environment. One of those ways is by helping us operate the system as efficiently as possible. It helps to reduce emissions. Emissions have been shown to disproportionately affect certain communities, which is a huge priority of ours, so both from an environmental standpoint as well as a social equity perspective. In addition, the other sustainability perspective is financial, and by operating our system at its most efficient way, that allows us to reduce the demand for expansion.
It's not just about traveling. It's about a mindset, a culture, and a desire to achieve something meaningful. Something that will make a real difference in the communities we serve.
The purpose of the TSMO program is to create a business process that focuses on using data and performance measures to drive business decisions. What we want to do is have documented processes in place to make smarter decisions and start to transition towards using technology and other operations-related projects to enhance our existing infrastructure and optimize mobility for Nevada motorists.
Nevada is one of those states where I think we really embrace the new. It's sort of the new frontier, and we've always been in that space where we're willing to try and experiment and learn and evolve, and that's true within our organization as well as amongst our partners throughout the state. that doesn't happen without a culture that really can embrace the flex. One of our successes has been that recently we partnered with the Regional Transportation Commission on an ATC MTD grant. And that grant is really leveraging some of the successes that we saw in previous applications and allowing us to apply technologies that we've developed and used across the state and in Southern Nevada on an initial segment of our corridor.
I think when you're talking about the culture of an agency, what you really need to look at is not only what are you doing to change and get ready for your future, but how you are working with all of your partners so that they can understand your goals and visions, and that they can then make the determination on whether that's something that they want to address internally as well as a partner to you.
As part of the Everyday Counts efforts with the Federal Highway Administration, the department participated in a pilot project for road weather forecasting. This is called a Maintenance Decision Support System for Road Weather Management. We have used this with the Nevada Data Exchange snowplow vehicle data and configured the road conditions and treatments based on NDOT methodology. This experience opens the door for future opportunities as we do our fleet telematics. The Maintenance Decision Support System would be the next step to performance-based road weather management.
If you're traveling through Nevada or you live in Nevada in the wintertime, you'll understand the benefits of NDOT having snow removal equipment, because when the snow is on the highway, one, it's not safe, and two, the traffic will back up. Our job is to make the highway safe for the motoring public, winter or summer.
When people are passionate and truly care about what they're doing and why they're doing it, it shows.
The best part of my job is the people. It's the mindset of the NDOT employee that we're here to deliver a program and we're going to figure out how to do it. This team delivers every single day and really delivers for Nevada, and it's a privilege to be able to be part of the team and be able to see that commitment and that passion.
What I love about my job the most is the people I work with and the opportunity to improve the travel experience for those within and those visiting our state.
I really take a lot of pride in serving the public. It's really nice to see the projects that we manage and that we facilitate go out and make a real difference on people's lives.
I really love what we do here at the department. I love the leadership that we have that's engaging in this performance-driven approach that we're doing. I think this is outstanding, the way that we're moving forward and the support that we're receiving from the executive leadership and our partners as well.
We're committed to providing a safe multimodal travel experience to the people of Nevada and beyond. One that ensures mobility for all people. One that enhances economic prosperity, preserves the quality of our environment and communities. And we're doing it in a forward-thinking way, a technological way, a safer way, a better way. Because at the end of the day, you just want to get there, safe and sound. And so do we.